Hi YouTube family, welcome back to Tech One Channel 1 again. Hope all you are doing well. Today I am showing you how to undo or unsend an email which is already sent by you by mistake to someone else, or by not mentioning some points in the email, and you can retrieve the email back, and then you can send it again. Yes, you can send it via Gmail. There is an option called undo, so you can use that option, and you can hold the email by 30 second, 40 second, and if you miss anything out, you can just undo that email and get the email back, and update the email and send it to the right person. But before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to click on the red color subscribe button given in the below of this video. Also click the bell icon for daily new videos, so you never miss any updates about my videos. Also, if you want any particular videos to be made, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will make that video for you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video, give your comment as well. If you have any query regarding this, please feel free to contact me, and I will pleased to help you as well. So before wasting any further time, let me show you how you can undo the email after sending your email. So there is an option in the setting panel. So if you go to this gyro, this is my email account, so we are going to a gyro called settings. In that, click on settings. So if you come down, there is an option called undo sent. So at the moment the seconds is 5 seconds, so we can increase up to 30 seconds. After clicking 30 seconds, you just simply have to save changes. Click on the save changes at the bottom of this page. Once the setting has been changed and got saved, and the mail account will load again. So click on compose. Once the new mail box pop up, you will just write email like I think test mail. Okay, let me put my ID. Okay, and press send. So you can get an option message send. You can undo that or view a message. Let me undo it. So once you click the undo, it is undoing, sending undone. This message will pop up, and the mail haven't got to the concerned person. I can change anything I that want in this email. Like, dear sir, my name is Ashraf Khan. I am from Tech One Channel 1. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video and share as well. So this way you can change it, and you can edit the receiver. Suppose I want to change ID, I can change the ID as well. Once you are done with the mail, and you just need to click send. So this way you can undo the email that you send across to others by mistake, and all the information will be retrieved back to you without sending to the recipient, and you can save all the information that is on the email. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to share this video, like this video, subscribe to my channel as well, so I can get a motivation. I can get motivate and make good videos for you. And Thanks guys for watching for this video. Bye for now. Shabba khair.